2 minutes, sorry, 2 minute candle.
Oh, wait. Well, I'm already confused. We don't scalp on a 2-minute candle, right?
Okay, well, it was already set on a 2 minute candle when I bought in, but yeah.
All right. So that's the first thing that you'll want to change. Don't ever
Okay.
on a 2-minute because that you can't see it good enough. Now after the trade, of course, you can do it. So in case you get skittish, right? So you
Yeah.
bought in at 936.
At about 245.57.
Okay, hold on. Let me look. Vertical 240. What was it?
245 and 57.
240. I don't know how you hold on. Is there a longer I don't know how you got it at that at 936. I don't know exactly why you got in it, and definitely not off the 2-minute, but I can show you what you should have on a scalp, and then you can go from there. Deal?
Okay.
So on this move, we don't touch any of these. None of those are a bullish move, right? Because you said you went long, right?
Yeah.
But this one was. As soon as this candle happened and it broke above the previous and you had this engulfing candle, this right here is your entry. See it?
Yep.
That's your entry. Nowhere else, not a single spot before it, not a single spot after it. That's the move.
Gotcha.
And that's off of a 2-minute, but you should have been in here on a 1-minute because look at the difference of a 1-minute. Look at this. You see these candles? This 1-minute right here would have definitely been like, hey, a lot of caution going on, right? By the way, this candle was your reversal candle. You see this?
Yeah.
Everybody see that inverted hammer? That's your reversal candle, by the way. See it?
Yep.
Then it led to these right here, these soldiers to the upside. And then, of course, then to start paying attention to VWAP. So my stop at this point is always going to be right a penny or, close to under VWAP, right? So that's the scalp. But that's a tough scalp, man. In here, especially when I told you guys not to be playing in Tesla, this is a dangerous game. Did you at least have a stop or a trailing stop?
Yes, I had a stop and I cashed it. I cashed it out. Well, I hit my stop around the 946 mark. Okay. When it was way up there.
Wait, so you had a take profit and a stop? How did you do that?
I didn't do a take profit. I did a stop, and then it bounced down and hit my stop.
Okay,
like so I was making it like once it got really high, I was making my stop really tight.
Okay, so you were moving. Okay, so you did what I trained, which is move your stop.
Right. Exactly.
Okay. Yeah, good job. No, it's good. It's a dangerous. What you did is crazy. I wouldn't recommend ever doing that again, but I hear you.
Okay. I don't know. I just had a gut. Like it came down so much. I was like, okay, it's got to go up now.
Yeah. Don't ever do that again.
Okay.
I'm serious. The worst thing you can do is trust your gut, because what'll happen is you're going to keep trusting your gut and you're trying to guess bottom and you're going to get your face ripped off.
I hear you.
Yeah, because here's the thing with Tesla, and this is why I said to be careful. Let's say you bought in here and you bought a call and you had a stop. Yes? Just like you did?
Yeah.
The problem is institutional sellers can come in and make this candle lose about $2 in under 10 seconds. The problem is your stop does not get triggered and you will lose 70 to 80% of your entire amount of your contracts in under 10 seconds on that stop.
That was $1,000 for both contracts. So
yeah, so you could have lost up to $800 immediately, because that's what these candles, these big red, this is off the 1 minute. This one and this one, these are called the widow makers, right? Okay. It would not have triggered your stop. Ask Mark.
Oh yeah,
it would have crushed you completely, and you'd have been like, "Oh, that's got to be the bottom." Boom, there goes another one. That's it. Your whole account's gone. AMD, yes, it looks great, and you guys are now on your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, 8th 2-minute EWO to the upside. Did anybody call out the first 2-minute EWO to the upside on that?
I did in chat, but you were discussing some stuff, so we didn't interrupt.
Gotcha. So good call. So again, this one now this is a perfect example, and we talked about this. Well, we do this every day. This right here, if you got in on this put around VWAP, the overall trend is to the upside. You are at VWAP, which is also another no-go zone. If you tried to buy this, coach, you said that every 2 minute, there's no reason to do that. Now this is a critical level for AMD. You see the double top? If that stays and holds above, hammer it to the upside. Do you understand me? Yep. And then have your stop. There it goes. There it is. And then have your stop. Your stop should be right there.